Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to transfer contact from your iPhone 17 Pro to Galaxy S26 Ultra. So I provide full guide and this is a very easy way. Simply open your phone apps, go to contact section, press on this arrow option, just long press to all contact and you get export option. Okay, press on right mark and get this interface. At first need to sign in email address. Okay, and you just enter email address, press on mail, enter email address, okay, as you can see, now enter this email address. Okay, press on to our option. Now send this, go back and you just wait few seconds and refresh. Okay, alright, now I am received this email showing it to all contact. Press on, showing it to contact, press on to import and select to Samsung account, phone, Google or Google. I can select to phone, press on import. Okay, now successfully import contact. Go to contact section. Now successfully transfer contact. That's it.